says I'm not so very excited.
Do I want to take a nap?
Yes.
Oh my god, save that immediately.
I just got so
I
scared.
enjoy it. I hate that one. People like stand right there and shit on the screen.
You seriously scared the shit out of me.
Fucking shit.